What if I told you that most sellers leave tens of thousands of dollars and weeks of their time on the table? Not because their home isn't valuable, but because they skip the most important step: preparation. The truth is, every successful sale starts with a plan. And that's exactly what our elite listing process delivers. I'm Katie Knepshield, a real estate advisor here in Pittsburgh with nearly 2 decades of experience helping sellers like you move strategically and profitably. Our system doesn't just help you sell, it helps you win. It saves you time. It protects your money and it removes the stress that most people associate with moving. Preparation is the foundation of any successful goal. That's why we offer an exclusive pre-listing prep service that includes expert staging consultations, coordinated home improvements, and clear timelines to help you get your home ready fast. Then we layer on strategic print, social, and video marketing that's custom designed for your property, using price as a marketing tool to reach the highest number of qualified buyers. With a background in media and professional communications, I know how to use words and imageries to tell the story of your home. And that story matters. It's what draws buyers in, creates emotion, and ultimately helps you stand out in the market. Plus, when you work with me, you're not just hiring a local expert. You're getting access to the global reach of the Sotheby's International Realty brand and my Rise coaching community, an elite group of high-performing agents who are constantly sharing tools, strategies, and market insights that I bring back to you. So if you're wondering how to make your next move without the overwhelm, this series is for you. Over the next few videos, I'll walk you through each step of our process and exactly what it looks like, so you will feel informed, supported, and ready. If you're ready to see how this system can work for you, drop a comment below or reach out to set up an appointment.